Have you ever wondered how to make money on Etsy with digital downloads? Well, you're in the right place. Today we're exploring the world of Etsy, a vibrant marketplace for unique and creative goods. We're particularly focusing on digital downloads. These are items that customers can download directly to their devices after purchase. This includes everything from art prints to ebooks, templates, and much more. So, are you ready to transform your creative ideas into a profitable venture? Stay tuned as we delve into the step-by-step process of making money on Etsy with digital downloads. The first step in making money on Etsy with digital downloads is setting up your Etsy shop. Now, you might think this sounds like a daunting task, but let me assure you, it's simpler than you think. To start, you'll need to choose a shop name. Make it unique, memorable, and reflective of your brand. Next, you'll set your shop language. This is generally the language you're most comfortable with, but consider your target audience as well. Then, select your shop currency. This is typically the currency of the country where your bank is located. You'll also need to specify your shop location. Now comes the exciting part, creating a listing. This is where you'll showcase your digital products. Think of your listing as your shop window. You'll want it to be attractive, informative, and enticing. Remember, a well-set-up shop is the foundation of your Etsy success. Once your shop is set up, you can start listing your digital products. Now let's talk about creating digital products that sell. This is where your creativity truly shines. On Etsy, there's a high demand for unique and high-quality digital products. Some of the popular items include printable art, digital planners, and patterns. Printable art, for instance, can be anything from inspirational quotes to intricate illustrations. For creating these, graphic design software like Adobe Illustrator or Canva can be your best friend. Next up, digital planners. They're a hit among the organized and eco-conscious crowd. For this, you might want to familiarize yourself with tools like InDesign or GoodNotes. Moving on to patterns. These are highly sought after by DIY lovers and craft enthusiasts. Software such as Adobe Illustrator or Procreate can help you design unique and attractive patterns. Remember, the key here is to create something that's not just visually appealing but also useful and unique. After creating your digital products, the next step is listing them on Etsy. Listing your digital products on Etsy is an important step in making money with digital downloads. To do this, you first need to craft a compelling title for your product. It should be descriptive and include keywords that potential customers might use to search for products like yours. Next, you'll need to write a detailed description. This is your chance to tell potential customers exactly what they're getting and why they need it. Make sure to highlight the unique selling points of your product. Also, don't forget to include relevant tags. These will help your product appear in search results. Think about what terms your potential customers might use to find your product and use those as your tags. Setting a price is another crucial step. Make sure it's competitive while still allowing you to make a profit. Finally, upload the digital file that customers will receive after purchase. This could be a PDF, an image file, or any other digital format. Once your products are listed, you can start marketing them to potential buyers. Marketing your digital products is crucial to making money on Etsy with digital downloads. Let's delve into the strategies that can boost your sales. One of the key avenues is social media. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest can be your ticket to reaching a wider audience. Next, let's talk about SEO, or search engine optimization. This involves using keywords in your product descriptions and titles to help your items appear in Etsy search results. The right keywords can make your products more discoverable to potential buyers. Etsy also offers an advertising platform, Etsy Ads, that can further amplify your product's visibility. With Etsy Ads, your items can appear in prominent places on the site, increasing the chances of capturing buyers' attention. Remember, customer reviews and positive feedback are gold. They build trust and credibility, encouraging more buyers to choose your products. With effective marketing, you can increase your visibility on Etsy and attract more customers. Let's recap the steps we've covered on how to make money on Etsy with digital downloads. First, we talked about setting up your Etsy shop. Next, we dove into creating digital products that are both unique and appealing. We then moved on to how to effectively list these products on Etsy to catch buyers' attention. Finally, we explored various strategies to market your digital products to boost sales. Now, you're all set to start making money on Etsy with digital downloads. Good luck!